Hello, and welcome to Group 112's Project 3 for COP 3530. In this project, we delved into the Kaggle dataset provided by IMDB, which contains a very extensive dataset that has pretty much any movie that you can think of and all the actors associated with those movies. We went ahead and processed that data using a local file. So we went ahead and streamed through the data, reading in the data that we needed. We went ahead and moved the data into two different maps. One of the maps was a movie map that contained metadata pertaining to a movie with a vector of actors, and the other was an actor map with the metadata pertaining to an actor and a vector of movies. And with those two maps, we were able to build the backbone for our graph, which we're going to show now. We made two implementations of our graph. The first one is the adjacency list. I'm going to go ahead and show you what that looks like. So first, we run program. We want to load in the data, then select adjacency list. And let's go ahead and just, pick a genre that we like, say Western. And the program is going to process the graph that's specifically for Western films now. So it says that there are 1,566 films in the Western genre. It went ahead and processed all the actors that are associated with a Western film, and we see that we have 3,439. Let's go ahead and see if there's a connection between two actors. So here we have some of the most important actors in that category. Let's go ahead and see if Brigitte Bardot has a connection with Elvis Presley. Okay, awesome. So what we did here is we used the BFS traversal to traverse through our Western actors graph to see if these two actors were connected by any number of movies. Our weights are the number of movies. So if two actors share a movie, then they have a connection in our adjacency list.
My name is Ksenia Velichko, and I'll be showing our implementation of an edge list. So here we allow the user to choose a genre out of the listed genres in order to specify what data we want to load. So we loaded all the movies in the Western genre, which is 1,566 movies. Now it's loading all the available actors based on the genre. So you can see there's a lot of actors here, and from these I'm gonna choose option 70 and option 104. So this is Ryan Balance and Rita Ramnani, and using a BFS I'm able to show that these actors are not connected, but if you're not, I'm gonna recommend some other actors that you could enjoy based on these available actors since they're not connected. Now I'm going to show another example, but where the Dijkstra's algorithm was made useful. This time I'm going to load the family genre. There's 3,933 films in this genre, which means there's probably going to be way more actors. So these are all the actors from which I'm going to choose. Some of the ones at the bottom at 12,066 and 12,064, which happens to be David Bowie and George Clooney. And you can see David Bowie has 2 films in the family genre with the Made in These Years, and George Clooney has 1 film. And right now the program is processing using Dijkstra's. You can see the connection between these 2 actors from George Clooney to David Bowie and all the films and actors between them. Thank you.